Let's start preparing creamy garlicky chicken. For that I took some chicken breast piece, cleaned it nicely. I'm seasoning it with some salt, some black peppers and some red chilli powder. Rub the spices well. Turn the chicken pieces and repeat the step. We are going to marinate it for 15 minutes. Let's keep it aside. Here I took some flour, near about 3 tablespoons, and some shredded cheese. I am using mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese of your wish. Mix it well. Add the marinated chicken to the flour and coat it nicely. Cover all the sides. Take it out in a plate and repeat it for other pieces. So our chicken is done. Now it's time to fry it. In a pan I took some butter. If you want you can take oil also. Put the flame in medium and slowly add our chicken pieces. Here I took chicken breast pieces. Flip the sides, add the butter if required. We need a golden color in chicken pieces. It will take 5 minutes max to fry the chicken. Now take it out in a plate. I have fried all the chicken pieces. In the same pan, added some oil and then added some chopped onions. I take medium sized onion. Fry the onions. Add some ginger garlic paste. If you want you can marinate the chicken also with ginger garlic paste. Here I am crushing some garlic cloves like this. Better you also crush it and add it in the pan. It gives a nice taste to the dish. Here I took some chicken stock and adding it to the pan. If you don't have it you can skip the step, but it just gives a nice taste. Here I am adding some fresh cream to the dish. Give it a mix. See, the color is looking so yum. Adding cheese. There is no harm in adding more cheese. Add as much cheese you want to this dish and cook it for 1 minute. Adding some black pepper to it. Give it a mix. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I am adding our fried chicken. It's already looking so delicious. Spread the sauce on the chicken. Let it absorb all the sauces. Cook it for 2 minutes. If you want you can flip the sides also. And it's ready to plate. It's looking so delicious. Directly plate it. Spread some herbs. and it's ready to serve. Enjoy!